Hi everybody, it's Christine at Ziedman Development, and today I'm excited to share with you some of the changes coming to Importacular version 5.1. So these changes are actually all things that are going to help you transform your data as it's coming into the Razor's Edge, working on our field settings. So let's go ahead and open our template to take a look and show you what you can do. So we're going to start today on our gift tab, and I want to work with our gift mapping because I want to show you the new option to allow you to change the conditions based on an amount. So let's scroll down to our letter code. I think this is a great place to use this example. So if I only want to send my annual giving thank you letter to gifts of a certain amount or more, or to gifts of a certain amount or less, previously that was a bit challenging to do and you had to really tweak that in your batch. We have now added a condition, so you can assign this field when a value is more than a set amount or less than a set amount. So you can see here, I have decided to assign my thank you letter to gifts when the value is more than 49. So anything 50 or above will have the thank you letter. Anything below will not. I'm going to show you what that looks like in my review screen in just a minute, but let's go ahead and take a look at our other change before we do that. So one of the things that we've been allowing you to do for a while is use a regular expression as a match type. So you can write a formula to create a match based off of really intricate criteria. But we didn't have a way for you to write a formula and do a replace based off of that. So we've changed this so that now you have the option to not only create a regular expression formula for your match, but you can also create a regular expression formula for your replace. I'm going to show you a quick example of what we can do with that. We're working with a unique identifier that's also working with a sample of account related data here. So we've got a match formula that's telling it what fields we want to match to. And then we have a replace formula that's limiting our replacement to a certain segment of that string and a certain segment of that match. So if we open this in our review screen, we'll be able to see what that looks like. So let's go ahead and go to our review screen. We're going to click continue, let it match our data. Let's take a quick look at that gift tab first. So we see we have two gifts that are over 49. And if we scroll over to our letter code, we have two gifts with a letter code. All the rest have been suppressed. So great way for you to be able to target sending letters to just the people you want to. The other thing we can see is if we come to our bank tab, we have some bank notes. That was our field with the double regular expressions. That has just a small portion, and you can see that that number is a piece of the larger number that we were tracking elsewhere. So lots of things you can do with those fields. I hope that you find this helpful, and I hope that it gives you an idea of new ways that you can transform your data. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a great day.